Hello everyone, this is a short presentation on oscillators. So let's get started. Oscillator is an electronic circuit that generates a periodic waveform on its output without an external signal source. It is used to convert DC to AC. Oscillators are circuits that produce a continuous signal of some type without the need of an input. These signals serve a variety of purposes that are communication systems, digital systems, and test equipments. Some important terms related to oscillators, which is oscillation, an effect that repeatedly and regularly fluctuates about the mean value. Oscillator, circuit that produces oscillation. Some characteristics of oscillator: wave shape, frequency, amplitude, distortion, and stability. Application of oscillators: oscillators are used to generate signals. Example: used as a local oscillator to transform the RF signals to IF signals in a receiver. Used to regenerate RF carrier in a transmitter. Used to generate clocks in digital systems. And used as sweep circuits in TV sets and CROs. Oscillators are circuits that generate periodic signals. An oscillator converts DC power from the power supply into AC signal power spontaneously without the need for an AC input source. An oscillator is a circuit that produces a repetitive signal from a DC voltage. The feedback oscillator relies on a positive feedback of the output to maintain the oscillations. The relaxation oscillator makes use of an RC timing. There are three types of oscillators, which is RC oscillators, LC oscillators, and unijunction or relaxation oscillators. How does the oscillation get started? Noise signals and the transients associated with the circuit turning on provide the initial source signal that initiates the oscillation. Practical design considerations. Usually oscillators are designed so that the loop gain magnitude is slightly higher than unity at the desired frequency of oscillation. This is done because if we designed for unity loop gain magnitude, a slight reduction in gain would result in oscillations that die to zero. The drawback is that the oscillation will be slightly distorted. Basic principles for oscillation. The feedback oscillator is widely used for generation of sine wave signals. The positive feedback arrangement maintains the oscillations. The feedback gain must be kept to unity to keep the output from distorting. RC oscillators. RC feedback oscillators are generally limited to frequencies of 1 MHz or less. LC oscillators use transistors and LC tuned circuits or crystals in their feedback network for hundreds of kilohertz to hundreds of megahertz frequency range. Example: Colpitts, Hartley, and crystal oscillators. Thank you.